Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, okay, this is the mobile class implementation I have given. Okay, so one share the XML. Okay, so I will share you. So guys, you can see this. Okay, so this is the mobile class implementation I have given. So similarly, you can just take a screenshot of this. Okay, so now, so this is the sim class. So guys, do you have any doubts in this annotation configuration? Annotations, what are the annotations we have seen in that? Do you have any doubts, guys? Or the XML configurations? What are the XML configurations we have seen? Do you have any doubts there? So sorry, one sec. Yeah, you can see that is the output I am getting. Yeah, Prem, I will tell you like the user postman also I will tell you it need a little time. Okay, so just give me some time. XML. Okay, so this is the XML, guys. Guys, I hope you all have that QTalk, right? QTalk app, you know how to use that. Mm. So okay, so guys, just check. I'm dropping a message. Okay, so I think like the J2EE subject WEJM8 is the batch code. I'm just broadcast. Oh, okay. So I hope. Yeah, I'm just broadcasting a message like hi. Just check. Send. Senta. Not able to see only. Oh yeah. I have sent a message. Just see guys whether you guys can get the what yeah message or not. Not received. Just check. Yeah, in QTAC. Check. ಇದೇನು ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. What happened? So, you just dropped check. See, you are not assigned to any group. Why? That is, guys, check now. I hope you have received a message. Yeah, that's why I'm just. I want to know whether you guys are receiving a message from that Q talk or not. Load more where? Library application. Yeah. At least, guys, do you have a group like that WEJM 8 or something? 1 second, it is getting loaded. Nagi nagalagi. Fine, not an issue. I will see and I will let you know. Okay, not an issue. Just give me a second. Regarding that, we will see that time. Okay, not an issue. Now, uh, guys, do you have any doubts in this Spring annotation configuration or else like IOC configuration and all? Yes or no? Cool. Okay, so Payal, you know, I think is switch on computer and USB. See, 1 second. Payal, did you understand about this mobile and SIM? So the same relationship I have done in my computer and USB. Okay, so computer and USB also I have done the same. Okay, so in the computer and USB also I have done the same relationship. Okay, you can see in my computer I have created a reference variable called as USB. Okay, and then I'm using this computer no parameterized constructor, and I just added a getters and setter method and display method. Okay, so just in the display method, I'm displaying a message stating that I am in computer, and I'm calling a method connect method from the USB class. Okay, so in the USB class, you can see I have declared a method called as connect. So I'm just displaying a message like USB is connected. Okay, so now and then now, so this is the XML configuration we have done. Okay, so this is the XML configuration we have done. So now in the computer class, whenever my Spring IOC, okay, so whenever my Spring is going to create an object for this particular computer, it must okay, so whenever it get an object particular computer, then inside this computer object, okay, so we have a reference variable called as USB of type USB class. So this must refer, okay, so this USB reference variable must be referred an object of type USB class. Okay, so if that must be happen because like if that is if yeah, so if that must be happen, then we need to have a USB object. If we have a USB object, then this reference variable can point or can make this reference variable pointed up. Okay, so in this scenario, what I have done in my Spring XML, like so, this is the example of XML configuration. Okay, so here you can see first I'm creating a USB object with a reference variable for this object. I'm giving as my USB object. Okay, so this is the reference variable I'm giving for this USB object, and I'm creating a reference variable. Sorry, I'm creating an object for the computer class. Okay, so first I have created an object for USB, then I'm creating an object for the computer class. So here you can see I'm using a reference variable, my computer object, and inside this, yeah, which one? Sorry, inside this computer class, we have a reference variable called as USB, and this reference variable must refer to an object which is referred by this my USB object. Okay, so this is the relationship I am giving here. Okay, so basically this reference variable my USB object is referred to a USB object. So again, this USB reference variable is also going to refer that particular object. So this is how I am going to inform my Spring uh, Spring to create an object. Okay, so guys, I want you guys to go through that. Okay, go through and understand about the difference between constructor injection and setter injection. What is the major difference between this constructor injection and setter injection? Okay, so then in the next session, okay, so I think like I thought of having a next session on tomorrow so that I can complete. Okay, not an issue. So another two sessions we need to complete this Spring Boot, guys. Okay, so we will take this Monday and Tuesday, and we will complete this Spring Boot entirely. Okay, so I will tell you. Okay, so then we can end this advanced Java batch. Okay, any doubts, guys? Do you have any doubts? So last one topic is left. Okay, so I need 2 days, like 4 hours of time to complete that one. After that, web services. Yeah, that's what Spring Boot. That's what web services we are going to do in a Spring Boot. And Rust, we are going to, okay. So in the next two sessions, we are going to design RESTful APIs. That is like web services only. Okay, so I will tell you like what is web services, why we need that. Then we can go for design that one. Okay. So apart from that, any doubts? Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. Vijay, the same mapping what we have learned in Hibernate. We have learned the mapping. Whatever the mapping we have learned in Hibernate, the same thing also we can use. I will tell you. Like, okay, so I will tell you while creating the project, while explaining the Spring Boot. Okay, so we will go with one simple example with relationship, and then we can perform that one. Okay, end of the day, I will give some task. So like similarly, hospital that was there, right? So similarly, we can use that application, food app and hospital, and perform the same thing. And another two class, guys. That's all. I don't want to drag this. Another two class will end up the course.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, guys. Am I audible? Yeah. So, this is Shweta from HR team. So, guys, today I'm here to announce your requirement. So, hope screen is visible. So, guys, for today you have five requirements. So, please take the screenshot of this. And all the requirements are offline interviews only, guys. All the requirements are offline interviews only. And for the first two requirement, interview date is on 20th, that is on Monday. And for the third requirement, interview date is today only, guys. It is on today only. So once you're done with your class, you can give a call to HRs, and if you met that criteria, ping your details to them, okay, so that they will register you to that company. So if not, no issues. You can try with other four requirements. And for the last two requirements, we will update you the interview date, okay. Is it done? Shall I stop sharing the screen now? So I'm stop sharing the screen now. So once you're done with your class, guys, go through with the requirements clearly. So if you meet any of the criteria, ping your details to the HRs so that they will register you to that company. So once the interview is scheduled, you will get a call from HRs. Okay. So as of now, guys, we are not getting any online requirements from the clients because we are not in a pandemic situation, right? On a rare case, we are getting online requirements. And I hope you guys have HR's number. And if you have any queries, get back to us, guys. Okay, we will help you out. Thank you, guys. Thank you, sir.
So that's all for today, guys. Okay, so I hope you got an idea about this XML configuration and annotation configuration. Okay. Okay, so we will meet in the next session to start with the Spring Boot topic. Okay, so I need this 4 hours. Okay, as I said, guys, make sure that in the Monday morning. Okay, so everyone should be present before like around like 7:10. Everyone should be present in the class. So I will continue. Don't ask me the backup and all for that. Okay, so that's all, guys. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye. No, no, please, I'm not going to take the class. We'll catch up on Monday.